Now, Panchakarma is gaining significant global importance, and we hear a lot of Panchakarma treatments in the media. To give a clear picture to general public, what are these Panchakarma treatments? From the point of view of common man, can you explain it, sir?
So it is the Panchakarma. It is really the fascinating word which we see in the media regularly. So everyone is fascinated and attracted by the word Panchakarma. As the word Panchakarma it tells, Pancha means 5, the Karma means the major, the detoxificatory procedures. In the human body, on day-to-day basis, the accumulation of the doshas or the toxins, it will happen and which will lead to the imbalances in the body and manifestation of different diseases. These are the Panchakarma procedures. The Pancha means 5, that is the Vamana, that is the vomiting procedure, Virechana, that is the Purgation therapy, and 2 types of Enema treatments, and also the Nasya, the administration of medicines to the nostrils. So with these 5 procedures, the detoxification, the imbalances in the body, those things will be rectified.